I'm Sebastian Davies, a learning experience expert at Dassault Systems. Hello, and welcome to this video on working with masks. When working on drawings, every entity has a display order, so that one entity can be in front or behind another. But as most entities are made up of lines, arcs and polylines, arranging the display order has little apparent benefit. Masks let us create an overlay that hides any geometry or entities behind it without erasing them. In this video, we will look at how to create and apply a mask to clean up and clarify a design using masks. So, let's get started. We are currently in an architectural floor plan, the walls of which are formed by ridge lines. We also have multiple window blocks that overlay the walls and need to be cleaned up to clarify the design. We do not want to break and trim the ridge lines as it makes future modifications more time consuming, so we will use a mask instead. We will start by editing the block by double clicking on it and then activate the mask command from the Draw Options menu. A mask is created by indicating a closed polyline, so we click the points around the window and press enter when we are done. This creates a mask that fills the polyline border, referred to as a frame, and adopts the drawing background colour. By default, the mask display order is in front of the other entities, so it hides everything behind it. The mask frame can be turned on and off via the command options. We do not want to see it, so we'll turn it off. This leaves us with a seemingly empty drawing, but if we move our cursor over the position of the mask, we can click to select it, then right click and use display order to send it to the back, and so reveal the window entities that are now in front of the mask. By closing and saving our changes to the block, we return to the drawing and can then simply right click on the wall ridge lines and send these to the back, behind the mask applied to the window blocks. This masks the ridge lines indicating the wall without any need to trim, stretch, move or delete anything, which in turn means that modifications are far easier in the future.